Congress objecting officially to the cattle preservation bill that has been tabled in the Assam Assembly. The Congress parliamentarian Gaurav Gogoi reacting to the bill, calling it an RSS bill. He's called it an RSS bill. Here's the reaction coming in, and we'll tell you what the bill is all about.
असम में वर्तमान में कैटल बिल है, 1950 का कैटल बिल है, उसमें सारी चीज़ें हैं। उसमें अगर कुछ करना है तो अमेंडमेंट लाइए। असम में गोरक्षा को लेके हमारी संस्कृति है ही। हमारे बिहू में हम एक पूरा दिन एक देते हैं, जहाँ पे असम के लोग अपने गाँव के गायों के साथ उसमें माँ हल्दी लगाते हैं, लाओ और पिठा खिलाते हैं। तो ये तो पूरी संस्कृति एक है ही। तो अगर कुछ आइन लाना है तो हमारे संस्कृति के अनुचित होना चाहिए, हमारे संस्कृति के अनुसार होना चाहिए। जो वर्तमान की जो आइन है उसको लेके होना चाहिए। लेकिन ये सब ना करते हुए ये एक ऐसा आइन लेके आए हैं जो हूबहू उत्तर प्रदेश से मिलता है, जिसका मतलब आरएसएस से आ रहा है। आज असम में आज हमारे जो दूध के व्यापार से जो जुड़े हुए हैं उनको चाहिए कोल्ड स्टोरेज फैसिलिटी। उनको आज हम असम में बड़ा अच्छा हमारा दूध होता है, बड़ा अच्छा दही मिलता है बरपेटा ज़िला में। उस ज़िला में बरपेटा दही, बरपेटा क्रीम पूरे देश में प्रकाशित हो, उसके लिए कुछ कानून की व्यवस्था करे। उस सब में ध्यान नहीं दे रहे। मतलब पूरा ये कोविड का जो विफलता हुआ है, जैसे उत्तर प्रदेश में गंगा के नदी पे जो लाशें हैं, उन लाशें में जो उनकी विफलता हुई है उसको छुपाने के लिए वहाँ पे ये पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया गया है। वैसे ही असम में माइक्रो फाइनेंस लोन को लेके महिलाओं के प्रति जो वर्तमान सरकार ने विश्वासघात किया है, उस विफलता को छुपाने के लिए एक ऐसा ये कानून लाए हैं।
Let's go across to Aniruddha joining us with more inputs, and we'll also get you the other reactions coming into the story. It's becoming a very controversial story. Himanta Biswa Sarma will be joining Arnab live on the debate at 9 p.m. But Aniruddha, a bill was already in place, but I think some Congress leaders, I didn't hear Gaurav Gogoi say that, but some Congress leaders holding on to the point where, you know, cattle beef sale is banned in a radius of 5 kilometers. They're giving it a communal spin. Now, what's their objection to it?
Yes, Ranjan, clearly Gaurav Gogoi statement, which has come to the media, is clearly an indication of appeasement of the minority community. However, the bill which has been tabled in the Assam Assembly yesterday is to control.
Yeah, Aniruddha, stay with me. Stay with me. Let me go across to Kirip Chaliha. Kirip Chaliha, former Congress leader, joining us from Assam on the phone line. Kirip Chaliha, what is your take on the bill, and why is it communal? The Congress is calling it communal. Why is it communal?
Who is calling it communal? I haven't seen the reaction.
So there are, okay, I'll tell you, there are two responses that have come in. Gaurav Gogoi has gone on record to call it an RSS bill, saying that it's been adopted by RSS and the Uttar Pradesh model, and that there is already a similar bill that exists in Assam. And Ripun Bora has also called it a bill which hinges on religion.
See, I think, you have to, I think there has been a tendency to dub everything that is to do with a certain amount of Hindu religious beliefs and all, as simply by saying it RSS. I don't think, I mean, we are doing much help to the anti-BJP flank and those who are holding the anti-BJP flank. I don't think with this kind of simplification and oversimplification of an issue in a state like Assam, where there has been a very, 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 very serious smuggling of cattle from Assam to Bangladesh and other places, and there is a law and order and economic foul play going on. Mm-hmm. And moreover, to give a certain amount of respect to the Gomata, which is also a very fundamental principle of the Hindu philosophy. If you just just ignore it as or condemn it as an RSS belief. I don't think that will be an oversimplification. I think just as having two children norm is also being dealt in a different manner which only consolidates the RSS support. I think this is too premature an assessment, and I think that the counter reactions to things that are the decisions that are being taken by BJP has not been. I would say they are not. They have not been rightly tackled by the Congress.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Kirit Chaliya, for speaking to Republic. Okay.